Hey guys, thanks for joining us on the Be Kind, Be Themed Wave. We'll be bringing to you some creativity from our homes to yours. Be kind, be good, and do something great for someone else. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all here to my channel once again. Now today we are out at Serenity Place, and for those of you that don't know what Serenity Place is or what it's all about, this is a space that my husband created for me. I think it's been 2 years now. It started out with the little section on that side there, and if it was nice and neat, I'd share it with you, but no, I can't, not today, and I won't. Maybe sometime whenever I can get all things working well and I can get in there and clean it up, and I'll share with you what it looks like. But after Christmas, when I went in and tore everything up, and then I wasn't able to really use my hand. My husband wants to get in there, but I don't want him in there because he will put stuff, and I won't know where it is. So let's get back to this. Today is a collaboration. It is hosted by At Home with Lisa. I'm going to share with you how I put my bee themed tablescape together, because the name of the theme for this collaboration is Be Kind. Okay guys, I hope you heard. It is the Be Kind, Be Themed collaboration hosted by At Home with Lisa. She will have a guest host as well as a multitude of co-hosts, I being one of the co-hosts. Now, I will not be able to list each of the hosts and co-hosts individually. I will have the thumbnail, but please check out At Home with Lisa so that you can get the link to all of the other creators. By the time that you see this video, I will have had surgery, but I will not have had the opportunity to list all of the participants as far as host and guest host. Guys, right now is the perfect time for you to go ahead, grab your coffee, tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax, as there will be a playlist of many creators coming together to share with you their Be Kind, Be Themed tablescape. Now, by the time you see this video, I will have had surgery already, which is why I am including here this thumbnail with all of the creators that are participating in this collaboration, the host and the co-host. These are all of the participants that will be hosting this collab. So please make sure you check out their channels. What you see me doing here is going through my bag of florals, and I'm just trying to put everything together so that I can get this tablescape done so that it will be in the lineup on the day of that it's supposed to be ready. So I'm getting ahead of myself, getting it done, because I don't know what my surgery will be like. I don't know what my hands will be like afterwards. So I'm pre-planning. I'm putting this table together so that it will be ready so that I can be a woman of my word. Now these chargers are paper chargers, square. I'm not sure where I got them from, but I've had them for quite some time. So guys, for reveal look number 1 is all about the rustic vase with those very elegant roses. You see I have my little bees throughout the table. I have my flatware, my stemware, and my place settings. And if you look in the rear, I have some clear vases with some gold picks. Now for look number 2, I'm going to pull those to the front and put the rustic in the back to give us a more of an elegant look here. Now these picks that you see in these clear vases, and these vases are some that I picked up from Michael's many years ago. But these picks are from a wreath that I purchased from TJ Maxx during this past holiday season. And the wreath just never laid right for me. So what I did was I dismantled the wreath and I'm taking the stems and place them in these vases. So guys, let me know which one you like better, look 1 or look number 2. Now I welcome you all here. I thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to visit the host at Home with Lisa, the co-host, and all of the other hosts that are participating, and all of the other creators that are joining in. Let me know which one you like first, look 1, look 2. If you're new, you want to be a part of this family, it's easy. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button, the notification bell twice, so you'll always be notified of any and all up and coming videos. And everyone right now, this moment, please go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, that like button. It lets YouTube know that you enjoy what we are sharing with you. And guys, I hope you have enjoyed this. By this time, I am hopefully recuperating, so I'm soliciting your prayers. Be blessed, everyone. Take care. Until the next video, I am your host, your styling with Gigi Faison.